Hello students, in the previous video I had explained you how to see log of a given value, that is logarithms, then few properties I had explained you. Yes, as far as concerned with logarithms, you all are seeing the log table very perfectly. So now let me explain you the concept of antilog, because the next examples whatever we are going to solve, it comprises of both log as well as antilog. Using log and antilog, you are going to solve few examples. So what is antilog? Here the word antilog means what? Anti means what? Reverse. Okay. So the reverse process of finding a logarithm is called as antilogarithm. For this you have a separate chart in your book, antilog chart. Okay, in your log table if you see, the first 2 pages will be of log, the next 2 pages will be of antilogs. So whenever you are seeing antilog of a given number, you have to look into antilog chart. Why you have to look into antilog chart? To find the antilog of a given number. Then for finding log of a given number, both was important, that is what characteristic part as well as mantissa part. But when you are finding antilog of a given number, for example 1.5960, this is the number given to you. Then if you want to find the antilog of this given number, you have to, this is what? This is mantissa. Okay, after the decimal point it is called as mantissa. Before the decimal point it is called as characteristic part. Okay, this is already I had explained you. When you are seeing anti-log, you have to look into the mantissa part only. So this mantissa part will play a very important role in seeing anti-log of a given table. Because your anti-log chart, if you see the table, it is starting from 0.00. So I've show you here. So this is your anti-log chart. So it starts from 0.00, 0.01, 0.02 up to 0.99. Whereas in log table you had the values from where? It was started from 10 till 99. Okay. So in the log, anti-log if you want to see, so it starts from 0.00. That means what? Your anti-log, if you are seeing, you should see into the mantissa part, that is after decimal point. Then this characteristic part, why it is useful? It is only useful to put the decimal points. Okay, that is what? 1 greater than the decimal point you have to put. For example, this is number. What is the number in the characteristic part? 1. So add 1 to that. 1 plus 1, 2. So after 2 digits you have to put the decimal point. If it is 3, 3 plus 1, 4. After 4 decimal points you have to put the decimal. Okay, this is only useful to know the decimal point. Now let me explain you by taking few examples so that it will be more clear. So here I have taken a few examples. Find the antilog of 0.7763, 1.7452, 2.6453, 3.6122. Okay, these are just few numbers which I have taken now at present. The first one is what? 0.7763. Okay, so now you see what is the mantissa part here? 7763. So you know, as in log, same way you have to group it. 77 under 6 plus 3. So 77.77 in your antilog. With 6th column you have to see, and you have to add, this is what? Mean difference. Understood? So 77 under 6 plus 3 mean difference. So 0.77 value, I see it here in your anti-log chart. It is here. 0.77 under what? Under the number 6. So I have to see under 6, 0.77 under 6. So it comes out to be here. 5970. Plus how much mean difference? 3 mean difference. So in the same adjacent row, see the mean difference, it is 4. So what is your value now? 5974. Okay, now the most important thing is what? To put the decimal point. Before this only don't put 0.5974, that is in log. In antilog, you have to just see 0.77 under 6 plus mean difference 4. So you have to just write the value. Now see, what is the characteristic part? 0. 0 plus 1 you have to do, it is equal to 1. So after one digit you have to put the decimal point. So the value comes out to be 5.974. Okay, I hope it is clear to you now. Let me move to the second example, 1.7452. So now what is the mantissa point? 5.7452. So now let me check the value. So what is the number? Second one I'm solving, 1.7452. So 0.74 under 5 plus 2 mean difference. So check, this is your table here, 0.74 under what? Under 5 plus 2 mean difference. So 0.74 under 5, I'm going to see here. So what is the value? 5559. So 5559 plus how much mean difference? Second mean difference you have to see. So second mean difference comes out to be 3. So if you add this both, you get 5562. So what is the number you are getting? 5562. Now we have to place the decimal point. So what is the characteristic part? It is 1. So 1 plus 1 you have to do. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. After 2 digit you have to put the point. Okay. So here it was, in the previous example it was 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. After 1 you have put the decimal point. So in this example it is after 2 digit because characteristic part is 1. 1 plus 1 after 2 digits. So similarly you can find next 2 examples also. 2.6453. Okay, what is the number? 2.6453. Okay, this is one number. Then there is one more number, 3.6122. So 3.6122. So for these both again I have to find. So now let me check this value, 2.6453. So I have to take the mantissa part, what it is, 6453. So 0.6453. So 64 under 5 plus 3 mean difference. So let me check now, 0.64, it is here, 0.64 under what? Under 5. So 0.64 under 5 I am going to observe. So it is 4416 plus 3 mean difference. So it is 3. Four 416 plus 3, it comes out to be 4419. Okay. Now check the characteristic part. Characteristic part is 2. So 2 plus 1 gives you 3. So you have to put it as 4419. So after 3 digits, 2 plus 1 is 3. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, put the decimal point. Last example, 3. So it is 3.6122. So 0.61 under 2 plus 2 mean difference I have to check. So let me check now. So what is the number? 0.61 under 2, 4093 plus 2 mean difference. So 4093 plus 2. So it is 4095. Okay, what is the number here? 3. So 3 plus 1 gives you 4. So after 4 you have to put the decimal point. Here the number itself is a 4-digit number. Just put point and you can write 2 zeros additional. If you don't write also, no problem. Okay, so what you have to see in antilog, the main thing what you are going to see is mantissa part. After observing the mantissa part, you get the value. Then what you have to do? Then you have to see the characteristic part. Add 1 to that characteristic part. Then place the decimal point. These are the steps what you are going to find while finding antilog of a given number. Okay. Suppose if in case there are negative numbers, like if they are less than unity, then what steps you have to follow? I've taken 2 examples here. What is the number? Minus 1 bar, that is 1 bar 0.5429. So what you have to do now? Same 1 bar 0.5429. So this mantissa part you have to check. So 0.54 under 2 plus 9 mean difference you have to check. So now first let me check and write the values. 0.54 is here. Okay. Under what? Under 2 you have to check. So under 2 it is here 3483. 3483 plus 9 mean difference you have to add 3483 plus 7. So your value comes to be 3483 plus 7. How much you get? 3490. So this is the value. But what is your characteristic part now? Minus 1. That is 1 bar. So 1 bar means minus 1. You have to add 1 to this. So minus 1 plus 1 comes out to be 0. So this will be equal to 0.3490. So this is the antilog of the number. If suppose second one, what it is? 2 bar 0.5342. Now let me check. First the mantissa part. 0.53, so it is here 0.53 under 4 plus 2 mean difference. 0.53 under 4 comes out to be 3420 plus how much mean difference? 2 mean difference. So 3420 plus 2. 3420 plus 2. So 3422. This is your value first. Now 2 bar means minus 2. Minus 2, you have to add 1 to this. So it becomes minus 1. That is what? 1 bar. 1 bar means after the characteristic part there will be no ciphers. Means there should not be any zeros. If the same number, if it is given like 3 bar 0.5342. If it is given, then what happens? 5342, you have already seen what value you get. 3422 you get. Okay, now let me check to put the decimal point. Decimal point ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ minus 3 plus 1. Okay, characteristic partiga plus 1 add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So minus 2 ಬರ್ತದೆ. So minus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 bar. Okay, after the decimal point, how many ciphers has to come? If it is 2 bar, 1 cipher. So 3422. Okay, idu in case 4 bar idra 0.003422. Okay, remember this. This is how we are going to find when you are finding antilog of the bar numbers, that is what? Negative numbers. When it is positive number, you have to just check the mantissa part, then see the characteristic part and add 1 to that characteristic part and place the decimal value. Okay, so you have to see all the values in your anti-logarithm chart. I hope antilog is clear to you. So in the next class, we shall see the examples based on antilogs.